Welcome back to the show. We have a major update today from the legal side of the real estate world.
That's right. It looks like the end of the road for a very long-running battle. The Supreme Court has officially shut the door on Rex.
Rex, or the real estate exchange, for those who haven't been following every twist and turn.
Exactly. They've been fighting the National Association of Realtors and Zillow for years, but the highest court in the land just said, no thanks.
So let's break down what happened. This was an antitrust suit. Rex was claiming that NAR and Zillow were basically conspiring against them.
Right. It all started back in March 2021. Rex argued that NAR's rules and Zillow's website design were pushing them out of the market.
But as of this Monday, the Supreme Court denied Rex's request to rehear the case.
And they didn't even give a reason, just a flat denial.
This actually feels like déjà vu, doesn't it?
Totally. Because Rex already asked the Supreme Court to look at this back in October, and they got denied then, too.
Right, so this latest move was a petition for a rehearing, basically asking the court, are you sure? Please check again.
Which, let's be honest, is a Hail Mary pass. The Supreme Court rarely takes these cases unless there's a huge national precedent to set.
Let's remind everyone what the core beef was. It was about the no commingling rule.
Sounds like a dating rule, but it's not. Basically, NAR had this optional rule that separated non-MLS listings from MLS listings on websites.
And Zillow redesigned their site to comply with that, which pushed Rex's listings to a different tab that fewer people saw.
Rex said that was antitrust behavior. They claimed it was anti-competitive.
The courts, however, did not agree with Rex. At all.
Nope. It started with Judge Thomas Zilli, who dismissed the antitrust claims in a summary judgment.
Then, Rex went to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. Surely they would have better luck there.
Negative. The Ninth Circuit affirmed the lower court's ruling. Rex has essentially been on a losing streak through the entire judicial system.
It got even worse for them in April 2025. The Ninth Circuit denied a rehearing then, too.
Which left them with no option but to go to the Supreme Court in September.
And now, with this final denial on Monday, they are officially out of options.
It's a tough break for Rex, but it's a massive win for NAR and Zillow.
Here is the ironic twist in all of this, though. The rule that started this whole fight?
The no commingling rule?
Yeah. NAC actually removed it back in June.
So the rule doesn't even exist anymore? That's wild. But NAC still maintains that the rule was never illegal in the first place.
We actually heard from a NAR spokesperson about this. They sounded pretty vindicated.
I bet. They told Housing Wire that both the district court and the appeals court affirmed their position.
They emphasized that local MLSs are key for transparent and fair housing markets.
Basically saying, we told you so, and we're just trying to get accurate data to consumers.
The quote was, NAR remains committed to protecting the benefits MLSAs provide agents, consumers, and the industry.
A very standard victory lap statement.
But it does put a definitive period at the end of this sentence. Rex's antitrust suit is done.
No more appeals, no more petitions. The Supreme Court has spoken by not speaking.
It's a fascinating case study on how hard it is to win these antitrust battles, especially when the rules change mid-fight.
Absolutely. Well, that's the update. The Supreme Court passes on the Rex case and the industry moves on.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll catch you on the next one.
See ya.